So today we are going to learn how to do a long tail cast on. So the first thing we've got is 9mm wooden needles, any needles, they don't need to be wooden. And then we've got just added super chunky yarn. So the first thing to do is measure out how much yarn you need because I'll cast on, and you'll see what I mean. Rule of thumb is if you're doing, say, a 12-inch scarf, you do 3 times that amount. So and then what you want to do is get your index finger, wrap that round, and you're just doing a slip knot in there, and then you want to pop the needle, and then put your this. You want to get your fingers between the hold the yarn, see that it's wrapped round, and this one's my thumb. This bit is the tail, and this bit the ball of wool is, so you can see that that's what it looks like. And then you want to take your needle and you want to go under that one, and then under the front, and then through and pull off, and you can see that you've got another loop on your needle. So I'll do that again. So make sure you've got your yarn like this. So if you put your hand up, you want your long like that, and the ball this end round here, and then you put your finger, you only need 1 needle for this, put your finger and thumb round, and you want to go under, and then back. So I'll do that again a few more times. The front, under the back, through the loop, under the front, under the back, through the loop. And that is your long tail cast on, and you just do it till you have got the number chains that you want on needle. So I hope that makes sense. And what you're left with is your stitches, your tail, and then your ball.